Welcome back to the Manufacturing Evolution, AI, Ops, and the Future of Work. Today, we're going to talk about the real ROI of operational excellence and why it's not just an operations conversation. It's a financial one, because when your operations improve, your numbers improve, but only if you're looking at the right things. A lot of organizations treat operational excellence as a cost-cutting initiative. Reduce waste, improve efficiency, lower expenses, and while those are important, they only scratch the surface. The real value of operational excellence is not just in saving money, it's in how it transforms the financial performance of your business. Let's start with throughput. If your operation becomes more stable, you produce more, without adding more resources. That means more orders fulfilled, shorter lead times, better customer satisfaction. But most importantly, more revenue capacity. You're no longer limited by inefficiencies. You're able to grow without immediately increasing cost. Now, let's talk about working capital. When operations are unstable, companies tend to overcompensate, holding extra inventory, adding buffers everywhere, delaying decisions. All of that ties up cash. But when your processes are predictable, you don't need as much inventory. You can plan with confidence. You free up cash that was previously stuck in the system. That's a direct financial gain without selling a single extra unit. Inventory is one of the biggest hidden drains on profitability. Slow-moving inventory means cash sitting idle, increased storage costs, higher risk of obsolescence. But when your operations are disciplined, inventory flows faster. You produce closer to demand. You reduce overproduction, and that improves inventory turns, which is a key indicator of financial health. Scrap is often seen as a quality issue, but it's really a margin issue. Every defect means material loss, labor loss, time loss. When you reduce scrap, you're not just improving quality, you're directly improving profitability. And even small improvements here can create significant gains over time. Scrap is a silent margin killer. A percentage point of yield improvement often beats a year of price increases. If your plant ships $50 million annually at 20% contribution, a 1% scrap reduction on material and conversion can add $500,000 in contribution without selling one more unit. You also reduce rework, sorting, containment, and chargebacks. The fastest path is error-proofing at the source, standard work, and first-piece approval anchored by real-time checks at critical-to-quality steps. Here's what many leaders miss. You don't need massive transformation to see results. Small, consistent improvements in throughput, scrap, inventory flow can compound into major financial impact. Operational discipline creates leverage. When operations become stable and predictable, something powerful happens. Your business becomes easier to manage, easier to scale, more attractive to investors because predictability reduces risk and lower risk increases value. This is where operational excellence moves beyond the shop floor and becomes a strategic advantage. Operational excellence is not just about efficiency. It's about building a business that performs better financially every single day, because when your operations are disciplined, your results follow. If you want to understand where your biggest operational opportunities are and how they translate into financial impact, start with an operational assessment. Visit e3businessconsultants.com to get started.